So, what you say to yourself matter. Every moment, have you observed that you are either communicating with yourself or with others, and most of your communication is with yourself. So just imagine if your communication with yourself is not strong, it is weak, it is not right. Will it affect your communication in other areas? You bet it will. So communication is, I would say, like I always say, communication is what you say and what other person understands has to be in sync, right? That is what you will see the definition of communication. But let's go a step ahead. The way I look at communication is what you communicate to yourself matter. Okay, so let's say now so let's say how you should communicate then to yourself. Well, the first thing is always awareness, becoming aware of your communication with yourself, becoming aware of the stories that are going in your mind at non-stop, right? Becoming aware of what is it that really triggers you to think negative, and what is it that takes you in the positive zone. Okay, that's very important. So what are some of the things when you communicate with yourself that actually diminishes your performance? It wastes your time, it wastes your energy. For example, the first thing or a couple of things that you must never do, or that can really hamper your confidence, it can hamper your communication with yourself, and most importantly, it hampers your growth, it pulls you down. Okay, so the first thing is very important, and that is called, you should never and ever compare yourself to others. Okay, and I'm saying this is because I have really lost peace of my mind just by comparing myself to others. I used to think that at the same time somebody else is at a much better position, why not I am there? And when we compare ourselves, we always compare ourselves with people who are doing much better than us. We never see people who are nowhere, where we are. So the best way to stop this is understand that everybody in their life is going through their own journey. Okay, and it's all about timing. What is your time is your time, what is their time is their time. Whatever is your strength is your strength, what is their strength is your strength. But the biggest thing is, you are the gift and nobody is you. So know yourself, recognize yourself, and build yourself. The only person you need to compare yourself is yourself. Your today should be better than your yesterday. If that is there, then I mean, you are going to become unstoppable. So don't waste your time in complaining. Life is too short for that. Just focus on yourself and building yourself every day better, 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 and better. Okay. The second thing that you should never do to yourself is being too hard on yourself. And again, this is something even I have done. And I was doing one of the programs, and last year I was in one of the programs, and in that activity when I was doing, I just realized I'm just being too hard on myself. I am too hard on myself. I'm too strict with myself, and there is a lot that I expect from myself, and there's no mercy. Okay, and I really want things to be very perfect. Well, that really kept me stuck for quite some time. Okay, you don't have to be too hard on yourself, because whatever you want, whatever you want to achieve, there is always a way out. You just go, you just learn, and you implement. That's a very simple philosophy. There's nothing in the world that is rocket science. There's nothing in the world wherein you really need to be very serious, or you really need to be very hard on yourself. If you see nature, sun shines on its own, grass grows on its own. So the best thing is, just go with the flow, enjoy the journey, and focus on your learning and taking one step at a time. You should have a focus on progress versus perfection. So if you can do this, it can change your life. It can change your communication with yourself, and it can change your completely brain wiring, and you're going to perform much better. Okay, the third thing that I have seen is, when people communicate with themselves, is they are lot stuck in the past. Okay, so see, you can either, you're thinking a lot about your past, or maybe you're thinking a lot about your future, but the best communication lies is in present, in now. See, if you want to understand life, go back to life. If you want to live life, then live today. That's how the world is. So thinking of the past, learning lessons from it is really good. Understanding why things happen in this way is really good. Introspecting is really good. But thinking constantly, why did it happen to me? Why I had to go through that pain? Why I had to go through that bad experience? That is just not right kind of communication, and it just destroys you. It destroys your performance, right? So how you're going to deal with it? Just be in now. And the best way to be in now is, I use this word now. Whenever I'm like lost here and there, I say myself now, now. Using this one word, okay, you become more aware, you become more conscious, and you start, being more in now. Okay. So I hope, guys, these tips and this tools and tricks have really helped you. If yes, do share in the comment which one was your favorite one that you're going to apply instantly. Also, all these tools and techniques are from my course, which is called Be Classy Communicator and Influencer, wherein I go in detail and I share about how you should communicate yourself, how you should not communicate yourself, what you should say to others, what you should not say to others, how you should develop business skills, how you should develop people skills, specifically in business settings, how you should communicate better, how you get yes from people, okay, and how you present like a star. So this is something, as Communication Festival is going on, I would like to give you a super insane offer. There's a link below, and just imagine there are 8 courses that you get at the price of 1. So click on the link, grab it, because it won't last for much time. Okay, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.